Hi guys, this is Zamil package unit. Already power is connected. Make sure ground also connect. This is the diagram. Diagram number 1 ECB1. I will show you after that the ECB board. This is the diagram. Very clear, the drawing is very clear. There is 2 solenoid valve, 2 compressor and blower motor connect to the ECB1. Low pressure and high pressure, everything. This is the ECB2. Same thing, condenser fans. Each demands will going from the ECB. Solenoid valve, first energize blower motor, then compressor number 1 solenoid valve, then demand to the compressor like this. Condenser fan motor also. This is the main power supply coming from the MCC, from disconnect switch to unit. Each compressor have circuit breaker and contactor and overload relay. Then output to the compressor. It's very clear. UVM, there is any problem from incoming power supply, unbalance or phase will change, it will not supply to power to the ECB board. Transformer will not energize the ECB. Each condenser fan have contactor and 2 condenser fan, 1 breaker there. This is the fuse for 480 to 220. This is the ECB 1. Big transformer for the 480 to 220 and small transformer for 220 to 24 volts. This is 220 to 24 volts. This one also drawing for all the optional device. Antifreeze. This one for thermostat connection. This is a 4-stage thermostat. This part is for the DDC control panel. If there is DDC control panel, you can connect here. This one for optional, but it's ready to connect if you have. Compressor run, trip status, blower run, trip status, everything is there. This is 1 and 2 for 220 power supply. 3, 4 also 220 power supply. Very simple diagram and very clear board. This clear drawing is Zamil air conditioning. It's not difficult to any technician. Okay guys, thank you very much.